Chia seeds seem like the perfect health food. Tiny, trendy, packed with omega-3s. You sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them in smoothies, and feel good about your healthy choices. But here's the shocking truth. After 60, your body processes these seeds completely differently than younger people. What works at 30 can become dangerous at 65. I'm about to reveal 7 critical mistakes that turn this superfood into a health hazard. These aren't minor issues. We're talking choking risks, medication interactions, and digestive disasters that can land you in the emergency room. By the end, you'll know exactly what changes after 60 and how to eat chia seeds safely without the hidden dangers. The first mistake is not soaking them first. This might be the most dangerous mistake. You grab a spoonful of dry chia seeds and toss them in your mouth or stir them straight into your drink. Those tiny seeds expand 10 to 12 times their size when they hit liquid. That's their superpower. But when you eat them dry, that expansion happens inside your body. After 60, your digestion slows down. Your saliva production drops. Those seeds can swell in your throat or stomach before they reach the right place. Doctors have documented emergency room visits from chia seed blockages. One man ended up with a gel plug in his throat that completely blocked his airway. The fix is simple. Always soak your chia seeds for at least 15 minutes before eating. Use a 1 to 10 ratio. 1 teaspoon of seeds to 10 teaspoons of water. Let them form that gel outside your body, not inside. Mistake number 2 is taking too much at once. Young people dump 2 to 4 tablespoons of chia into their morning smoothie and feel fine. But seniors need different limits. After 60, your kidneys work harder to process excess fiber and minerals. Your gut bacteria changes. The digestive system that handled anything at 25 becomes sensitive at 65. Chia seeds pack 10 grams of fiber per ounce. That's explosive for aging systems. It's like throwing a fiber bomb into your gut without warning. Here's what happens. You eat too much chia thinking you're being healthy. Within hours, you're doubled over with severe bloating, cramping, and digestive distress. Your bathroom trips become unpredictable. You swing from constipation to diarrhea. One woman started adding 2 heaping tablespoons to her daily smoothie after reading about chia online. Within a week, she was in the ER with stomach cramps. Doctors found a partial bowel obstruction caused by chia swelling in her intestines without enough water. Your gut bacteria need time to adapt to new fiber sources. Flood the system too quickly and you get chaos instead of health benefits. The safe senior dose is different. Start with just 1 teaspoon daily. Not 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon. Let your body adjust for at least a week. Then you can slowly increase to a maximum of 1 tablespoon daily. Think of fiber like exercise. You wouldn't run a marathon without training. Don't shock your digestive system with a fiber marathon either. Mistake number 3 is relying on chia for omega-3s. This mistake is huge. You think you're getting powerful omega-3s from chia seeds, but your body can't actually use most of them. Chia contains ALA omega-3s. That sounds great until you learn the truth. Your body can't use ALA directly. It has to convert ALA into 2 other types, EPA and DHA. Those are the ones your brain and heart actually need. Here's the crushing reality. Only 5 to 10% of ALA converts to EPA. Less than 5% converts to DHA. So if you eat 5 grams of omega-3s from chia, your body might only get a tiny fraction in the form it can actually use. After 60, this conversion gets even worse. Your metabolism slows down. The enzymes that make this conversion work less efficiently. You're missing the brain and heart benefits you think you're getting. DHA protects your memory and prevents cognitive decline. EPA reduces inflammation and supports your cardiovascular system. Studies show seniors who rely only on plant omega-3s like chia still have low blood levels of EPA and DHA after months of daily use. Many report persistent joint stiffness, brain fog, and fatigue. Meanwhile, seniors who get direct EPA and DHA from fish oil or algae supplements show dramatic improvements in energy, mental clarity, and heart health. This is the dangerous myth that plant omega-3s are enough for aging brains. They're not. Chia gives you the raw materials, but your 60-plus body can't build what it needs from those materials. The fix is simple. Keep eating chia for its fiber, protein, and minerals. But add a direct EPA and DHA source. Fatty fish twice a week. Or algae oil supplements if you don't eat fish. Don't let the omega-3 conversion myth rob you of the brain and heart protection you need after 60. Mixing with blood thinners is mistake 4. Here's a mistake that could literally be life-threatening. You're taking blood thinners like warfarin or daily aspirin. Your doctor prescribed them to prevent strokes or heart attacks. But nobody warned you about chia seeds. Chia seeds naturally thin your blood through their omega-3 fatty acids. That sounds healthy until you realize what happens when you combine them with your medications. You're doubling up on blood thinning without knowing it. This creates a dangerous interaction that can cause internal bleeding, excessive bruising, or stroke complications. Many seniors don't realize that natural doesn't mean harmless. Chia seeds are powerful. They affect your blood chemistry just like a medication would. Here's what doctors have seen. Patients on warfarin start eating chia daily for heart health. Their blood becomes too thin. They develop unexplained bruising. Some experience dangerous bleeding episodes that require emergency treatment. The timing matters too. Never eat chia within 4 hours of taking your blood thinner doses. That's when the interaction risk is highest. But here's the real problem. Most people don't tell their doctors about adding chia to their diet. They think it's just food. But to your body, it's another blood-thinning agent on top of your prescribed medication. Always check with your doctor before adding chia to your routine if you're on any blood thinners. This includes warfarin, aspirin, clopidogrel, or any medication that affects blood clotting. Your doctor might need to adjust your medication dose, or they might recommend spacing out the timing. Some patients can safely use both, but only with proper medical supervision. Don't gamble with your blood chemistry. The consequences of getting this wrong are too serious. Mistake 5 is buying low-quality or rancid seeds. You walk into the store and grab the cheapest bag of chia seeds on the shelf. Big mistake. Not all chia seeds are created equal, and buying low-quality seeds can actually harm your health. Ground chia loses nutritional value within weeks of processing. Those convenient chia powders sitting on store shelves, they're often rancid before you even buy them. When omega-3 oils go rancid, they flip from beneficial to inflammatory. Instead of reducing inflammation in your body, they increase it. Rancid oils accelerate aging, damage your cells, and worsen joint pain. After 60, your body can't neutralize oxidized fats as effectively as when you were younger. What might have been a minor issue at 30 becomes a major problem at 65. Store-bought chia powders often contain fillers and preservatives too. You think you're buying pure chia, but you're getting additives that can trigger digestive issues or allergic reactions. Fresh whole seeds last 2 to 4 years when stored properly. Ground seeds spoil in months. The oils inside get exposed to air and light, turning them toxic instead of therapeutic. Here's how to test if your chia is fresh and safe. Good chia seeds should smell neutral or slightly nutty. If they smell fishy, musty, or bitter, throw them out immediately. That's rancid oil talking. Look for whole seeds, not powder. Buy from companies that test for purity and heavy metals. Some cheap chia contains traces of lead, cadmium, or pesticides from contaminated soil. Store your chia in a cool, dark place. An airtight glass jar in your refrigerator is perfect. This keeps the oils fresh and prevents oxidation. Quality matters more than price when it comes to chia seeds. Buying cheap, rancid seeds doesn't save money. It wastes money and potentially harms your health. Choose organic when possible. Look for third-party testing certificates too. And remember to always buy whole seeds, never pre-ground powder. Your body deserves fresh, pure chia that actually delivers the health benefits you're seeking. Don't let rancid oils sabotage your health goals. Mistake number 6 is eating them with calcium supplements. Here's a mistake that's costing you bone health without you knowing it. You take your calcium supplement with breakfast. Then you eat chia seeds in your morning yogurt or oatmeal. You think you're doubling down on bone protection? Wrong. You're actually blocking calcium absorption when you eat them at the wrong times. After 60, you need every bit of calcium you can get for bone health. Your bones are losing density. Your risk of fractures increases every year. That expensive calcium supplement becomes crucial for preventing osteoporosis. But chia seeds contain compounds called oxalates. These oxalates bind to calcium in your digestive system. When they bind together, neither nutrient can be absorbed properly. Taking your calcium pills with a chia breakfast wastes your supplement money. The oxalates grab onto the calcium and escort it right out of your body. You get neither the calcium benefits nor the full mineral value from the chia. This binding process makes both nutrients useless. Your bones miss out on the calcium they desperately need. Your body can't access the magnesium and phosphorus in the chia seeds either. Here's the timing solution. Separate chia and calcium by at least 2 hours. Take your calcium supplement in the morning. Eat your chia seeds in the afternoon or evening, or flip it around. The key is giving each nutrient its own window for absorption. Your digestive system can handle both, just not at the same time. After 60, your kidneys also struggle with mineral overload from combined sources. When you dump calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and oxalates into your system simultaneously, your kidneys work overtime trying to sort everything out. This creates unnecessary stress on organs that are already working harder than they used to. Some of those minerals get filtered out instead of absorbed. Others form complexes that your body can't break down. The fix, once again, is simple timing. Space out your mineral-rich foods and supplements. Let your body process each one properly instead of overwhelming your digestive system. You can still get the bone benefits from both chia and calcium. Just don't make them compete for absorption. Give each nutrient the space it needs to work. Mistake 7 is not drinking enough water. This final mistake turns chia from a digestive helper into a digestive nightmare. You eat chia seeds but don't drink enough water. Big problem. Chia seeds absorb 12 times their weight in water from your body. They're like tiny sponges that keep expanding until they find enough liquid. If you don't provide that water, they'll pull it from wherever they can find it. Seniors already struggle with dehydration and reduced thirst sensation. You don't feel thirsty as often as you used to. Your kidneys don't conserve water as efficiently. Adding chia without extra water creates a perfect storm. Here's the dangerous cycle. You eat chia without enough water. The seeds pull moisture from your digestive tract. This leaves you more dehydrated than before. The dehydration makes the seeds harder to digest, causing more problems. The result is severe constipation. Those expanded chia seeds form a thick, sticky mass in your intestines. Without enough water to keep things moving, everything grinds to a halt. You end up with painful bloating, hard stools, and digestive backup that can last for days. Some people even need medical intervention to clear the blockage. Your kidneys can't compensate for chia-induced dehydration after 60 like they could when you were younger. They're already working harder to maintain fluid balance. Adding chia without water pushes them past their limits. The minimum requirement is 16 ounces of water per tablespoon of chia. That's 2 full glasses of water for every serving. Not sips. Full glasses. Drink 1 glass when you eat the chia. Drink another glass within the next hour. Keep sipping water throughout the day to help those seeds move through your system. Think of water as chia's essential partner. You can't have one without the other. The seeds need water to form their beneficial gel. Your body needs water to process that gel safely. These 7 mistakes can turn chia from superfood to health hazard after 60. The difference between benefit and harm comes down to simple preparation and timing. Always soak your chia first. Never eat them dry. Start with tiny amounts and build up slowly. Your aging digestive system needs time to adapt. Watch for medication interactions, especially with blood thinners. Space out your calcium supplements. Drink plenty of water with every serving. Buy quality whole seeds, not cheap powders. Store them properly to prevent rancidity. And remember that chia alone won't give you the omega-3s your brain needs. Most doctors don't know these senior-specific warnings about chia seeds. They see a healthy food and assume it's safe for everyone. But your 60-plus body has different needs and vulnerabilities. The good news is that when you use chia correctly, it becomes a powerful ally for gut health, blood sugar control, and sustained energy. You just need to respect what changes after 60. Start small, soak first, stay hydrated, and watch for interactions. These simple adjustments unlock chia's benefits while avoiding the hidden dangers. Subscribe for more senior-specific nutrition warnings that doctors miss. Your health after 60 deserves this level of detailed, age-appropriate guidance. Don't let preventable mistakes rob you of the vitality you've earned. Use this knowledge and make chia seeds work for your health, not against it.